And my teacher Hakandal. Today I'm making a cake. It's my first cake and I'm so excited about that. Let's see the ingredients. 4 eggs, 2 glass of sugar, a glass of yogurt, a glass of sunflower oil, a packet of cacao, a packet of vanilla extract, a packet of baking powder, and one and a half glass of flour. First, crack eggs into a bowl and add sugar, more sugar, and mix it for a few seconds. And then we adding some yogurt, adding some olive oil, adding some cacao, adding some baking powder, and finally, vanilla extract. And finally, you should add the flour and mix it for a few minutes. Now we pouring the mixture into the baking tray. Nice. Now we should bake the mixture 35 minutes in the 180 degrees. Let's bake it.